Today, we're building an AI assistant that listens, talks back, and is smarter than anything you have on your phone. We're going from zero code to a fully voice-powered assistant using Python and the GPT API, all in 10 minutes. Let's get started. The first step is getting our assistant to talk. We'll use the PITS-X3 library for text-to-speech. It's fast and works locally. A quick 3 lines of Python imports the engine, says our welcome message, and runs the command.
Hello.
Stick around because by the 5-minute mark, we'll connect this to GPT, giving it an actual genius-level IQ. Since this code would cause a block in execution, I've moved it to a separate thread. Next, we need to teach our assistant to listen to us. This is speech recognition. We'll use the speech recognition library. It needs your microphone input. We initialize the recognizer and the microphone source. The crucial line is r.listen source. This activates the microphone and waits for audio input. We then process the raw audio using Google's free recognition service. If the internet connection is slow, it might throw an error, so we wrap it in a try except block to keep our app running. Now we combine listening and speaking to confirm a successful command. The user says, "Hello world." The assistant hears it, prints it, and says, "Confirmed." Hello world.
Confirmed. Hello world.
Okay, now we centralize that, moving all the listening code into the take command function. We now have the voice input-output engine ready. That's the foundation of a voice assistant done. Time to build the main command loop, the part that decides what to do with the command. Our assistant needs to continuously listen, so we put everything inside an infinite while true loop. We'll use if-elif statements to check the transcribed text for specific keywords. Let's add the first local command, telling the current time. If the assistant hears "what time is it?" it calls our time function and speaks the result. Next, a quick weather check. We won't build a complex API call, just a placeholder. The point is, we're using local functions for fast, simple, pre-programmed responses. Any command that's straightforward and doesn't require reasoning can be handled here. But what about complex questions? The time is over for simple hard-coded responses. Now let's inject a truly intelligent brain into our assistant. It's time to meet the GPT API. First, we import the OpenAI library and set up our secret API key. Crucial, never hard-code your API key. Load it from an environment file, but for this demo, we'll use a placeholder. We create a function called getAIResponse to encapsulate our request logic. We send the user's spoken text as the prompt to the API. We're using the chat completions endpoint because it's the most powerful for conversational AI. Our main message is packaged in the messages array specifying the user's role. The API returns a large response, but we only need to extract the actual text from the AI's reply. The extracted text is now the smart, reasoned reply we pass to our speaking function. To make your assistant truly unique, we can inject a custom personality. This is simple prompt engineering. We add a system message to our API call. This changes the AI's response style without changing the code logic. Instant customization. Now, let's update our while true loop to use this genius feature. Any command that wasn't a local, pre-programmed task defaults to the GPT intelligence. We just created a fully functional AI assistant that can handle both simple and complex open-ended questions. The user asks, "Explain how a black hole works," and the assistant speaks a scientific summary.
Hello. Your personal assistant is now active.
Explain how a black hole works.
A black hole is matter squeezed into an extremely small space, creating a gravitational pull so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape.
What time is it right now?
The current time is 5:02 p.m.
How is the weather?
It is sunny and 75 degrees.
Stop listening.
Goodbye. Shutting down assistant.
And that's it. In under 10 minutes, you've built an AI assistant that is truly yours. We covered voice I/O, command looping, and integrating a genius-level LLM brain. Find the full code in the description. Want to make your assistant an actual genius that can book flights and send emails? That's the power of the AI agent framework. I built a full course that dives deep into function calling, memory, and advanced LLM usage. The link is in the description. Go there now to turn your assistant into a full-blown AI mastermind. If this project accelerated your learning, please like the video and subscribe for more fast-paced builds. Comment what you named your AI and share this tutorial with a friend.